So we're in Sighișoara in the city center. Don't really know anything about this town, but it's beautiful. So gonna go for a bit of a wander and explore and see who we meet along the way and see if we can learn something about the history and the culture of the people here. It is Sunday, so a lot of stores are closed, but it looks like a bunch of students maybe on a field trip just rocked up, so it's getting a little bit busier here right under this big clock tower. Could be a church, a fortified church perhaps. What I do know about Romania is that there are quite a fair few fortified churches here, because outside of the major cities or kingdoms, the local villagers had to somehow protect themselves. So what they would do, they would build these massive fortifications around these beautiful churches, completed with like little archer holes and things like that, really thick walls, and they would all go in there when there was some sort of siege. So it'll be interesting to explore Sighișoara. Let's do it. Nice. Stuff. Merci. Thank you. Yummy. All right. I got black on my mouth. So, is it gone yet? So we were about to go to the clock tower, and now there's just like, I don't know, hordes of people going up there. So, what do you reckon, Dave? Just go up there?
Yeah.
Bit of a wander?
Yeah, let's go for a wander. And it's not, well, we should do this, we should do that, and then you're like, we've got the same.
Shot of this. How beautiful is that? Beautiful coloured buildings, just seemingly everywhere. Nice, got this massive clock tower. And here we've got even more coloured buildings. I'm loving this.
Very colourful, sunny little.
Yeah. Some souvenir shops.
Csapat szinten nem
Da, îți vă rog frumos 50 de tante.
We hear a lot of Hungarian being spoken. Let's get a bit of a view over Sighișoara. Nice. Looks like the base of this clock tower is actually under reconstruction or renovation, but we might go for a bit of a walk around and see what else may be lying around the other side. It's got a beautiful church off in the distance, and then in front of us we have what looks like the city hall, the government building. We've got the sculpture of Vlad the Impaler. So this was one of the kings and the father of Vlad the Impaler, also known as Dracula. And in another video you'll see that we also visited Bran Castle, which is basically the Dracula castle where this family lived. Interesting. So we just stumbled upon Vlad Dracula's house So built between the 14th and 15th century, this was the residence of Vlad Dracula. So we're going to continue the wander through these cobblestone streets. Imagine how difficult this stuff would have been to bloody ride over. You had a horse and carriage back in the day. Super bumpy, just like this. But I gotta hand it to Sighișoara. This is a very charming town. There's this curious staircase up here. Scholar's Stairs, which looks like it goes on and on. It's super cool.
It's called the Scholar's Stairs because they're not...
Beautiful. So just walking around this Lutheran church. It's called the Church on the Hill because, I'll just show you guys in a second, you have this view.
Da, deoarece era tunelul ăla în primul rând și mai era încă un tunel mai încolo. Da. Și acum pur și simplu
Seems to be beer o'clock right now. Everybody's just coming out to these pubs and restaurants, having some beers, chilling out in the park, which is what I love about Europe. You know, it feels so communal. Everybody's coming out to socialize, have beers in the park, chat. Awesome. Particularly reminds me of Italy, actually. I remember traveling through Italy for about 2 months, north to south, and everybody's always hanging out in the piazzas and parks, laughing, giggling, always in big groups. So that's the Holy Trinity Church, the beautiful imposing structure here that we saw last night when we were driving in to the town past that bridge. There's a bloke down here fishing. Now this is some Soviet looking stuff right here. Well, it doesn't even work. Jeez. Well, that's Sighișoara. I hope you guys loved it. And all of the pastel colored buildings, the stony lanes. It's got a lot of medieval vibes, that's for sure. And also, allegedly, Sighișoara was the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, aka Dracula. So apparently this bloodthirsty leader was born right here where we're walking today. So I hope you guys liked the video. Of course, like, comment, let me know. Do you know much about the history of Vlad the Impaler, Dracula, Sighișoara? Have you been to Romania? I'd love to hear your comments and thoughts, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.